How to sign up for ActiveCampaign account. To sign up for an ActiveCampaign account, simply go ahead and open a web browser. Go to the URL box and type in www.activecampaign.com. Press enter on your keyboard and then you'll end up in the official site of ActiveCampaign. To sign up for a new account, go ahead and enter your email address in the text box appearing at the top right. Make sure to enter a valid email address and click on Try It Free button on the next page. Enter your name and your phone number. Now, click on Next Step. Go ahead and answer some of your questions by selecting from the drop-down. After filling in all of the details, click the Next Step. Now, create a password for your account. While creating a password, make sure to type in the password that will be easier for you to remember. And after you are done, click on Take Me to My Account. And there, you'll end up in the dashboard of your ActiveCampaign account. Select how you'd like to get started and start creating your first campaign by clicking on Create a Campaign button at the top right. That is how you'll be able to create or sign up for ActiveCampaign. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again with another video. Goodbye till then.